Hi everybody, welcome back to Aizen'schannel. Today we're gonna make crepe. You can fill the crepe with whipped cream and your favorite fruits. Also, you can enjoy just crepe itself without anything because this crepe is very soft and moist. Delicious. Check the recipe in the end of the video. Let me introduce my channel. You can enjoy Japanese home cooking from my channel. My mom and grandma were cooking teachers in Japan, so the recipes are real. I upload my videos more than twice a week. Subscribe today. I hope you can enjoy my Aizen'schannel. Ingredients: eggs, all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, salt, milk, unsalted butter, oil. For topping, strawberries, banana, heavy whipping cream, and sugar. Alright, let's get started. At first, break eggs in a bowl. Mix all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, and salt together in the bowl. Boil milk and add the milk in separate times in the bowl. Add melted butter in the bowl. Let it sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. Heat a small non-stick pan, add oil to coat with kitchen paper, pour 1 ounce of butter into the center of the pan, and swirl to spread evenly. By the way, you can store crepes in sealable plastic bags in the fridge for several days or in the freezer for up to 2 months. When the edge of a crepe is turning light color or turning inward, flip. Cook for 20 to 30 seconds. It might not be easy to know how much butter to pour or when to flip, but I'm sure you'll get used to it as you practice. You have 11 servings in this recipe. Remove the crepe to a plate or cutting board to cool down. Whisk together heavy whipping cream and sugar. Slice strawberry. Slice banana. Fill crepe with whipped cream and fruits. Drop some brandy or add yogurt or cream cheese in the cream. You have more options to enjoy the crepe. This is soft and moist crepe with cream, strawberry, and banana. いただきます。Check the recipe here. And ingredients. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またね!